Hi there, this is Nikita and welcome to this short little video about this wonderful little, Lidl Parkside air die grinder set. I just purchased it and just wanted to do a little unboxing, although I did look inside to check if all was well. So, let's do that and let's get started. So while you might think Lidl and air die grinders, that can't be much. Well, it isn't, and there's a very simple reason. This one was very cheap. I had to check the receipt because I only paid €9.99 for, well, what seems to be a quality air grinder, right? Air die grinder set. So the box was damaged, and I don't think that has anything to do with the price, and I'm not complaining about the price because, well, frankly, that's just cheap. And although the quality might be lacking in the long run, it is a wonderful tool in the sense that if you need a die grinder and never used one, you can at least try it out. And it does come with a number of, well, add-on tools or dies, I would say, in a number of sizes. Now, quickly taking a look at the box, this is what is supposed to be included, and I think that is correct, right? Yes, a small adapter, the large one is in here. It has, well, 3 to 6 millimeters, well, shank size, and it's a 6.3 bar maximum, and the compressed air connection is a 1/4 inch or 6.35 millimeters. Right. Seems complete, seems quite nice, and this is the back side of the box, and as you can see, it is tough GS and tough suit tested, which basically means it's a proper product. Yes. So you get these two very nice spanners, which I won't use most likely because I'll just grab something else that fits on here better, because these are quite, well, rough cut. And I wouldn't say cut because these are pressed out and they will hurt your hands in the long run. But that doesn't matter. Once again, this tool was €10. These dies are very interesting in themselves. They are stones, and the one I looked at and put in there a little while back is a little bit wonky. It isn't centered on here properly. Once again, for €10, I don't mind because I'll throw this one out and buy a proper one for this die grinder, right? It comes pre-assembled in its current state, and normally, well, it used to be, let's say it like that you had to attach these air hose, well, connection points yourself, but this one is already connected. So it's basically in its fully operational state, right? Very simple. Push the lever and use this little, well, pedal. Feels nice, feels sturdy, has quite a bit of heft, and I'm, well, guessing this is just metal injected molded metal. Unsure, I don't care. Once again, the number of times I'll use this will be very limited, and the quality most likely, because, well, Lidl doesn't sell stuff that's broken most of the time, at least by my reckoning and recollection and experience. So this will function quite nicely for me, at least. And if it's broken, and I do use it quite a bit, I can upgrade, because once again, €10 invested isn't that much, and this is therefore just wonderful and great. I do see a little bit of paint is, well, missing here, but once again, €10, that is fine. Right. So just a little unboxing, just a little look at the, well, let's do something else quite quickly, because I do think that's important to show you, right? There's the adapter, there's the large one, and let's put it in here, and, well, that's interesting. This one is cattywampus as well. Don't know if that's intended, I don't think so, but once again, €10. So, €10 for an air die grinder, and I'm a little bit giddy about this because this is one of those tools you think, well, shall I buy it, when you see it in the shop for a proper price from a proper brand, and think, well, it's a little bit too much money, but it might come in very handy. Right. So, Nikita Net here. saying I'm very happy with this product, and say very simply, although it was opened by somebody else in the shop, I think this will be quite nice to use and therefore wonderful. And for 10 euros you can't beat this. This is proper. Right. So this is Nikita Net saying thanks for watching and see you in the next video. Bye bye.